Welcome, today we're going to show you how to turn off Microsoft Family Safety options. So to actually do that, the first thing that you need to do is to open the start menu as see from here. After that, you need to search for Family Settings. So here's the family options, you need to click on it. After that, it will open the family settings from the Microsoft Windows Settings app. So from here, you need to click on View Family Settings and it will redirect you to this same page. I'll see from here. This is actually the same page. Now from here, you need to sign into your Microsoft account. After that, you can from here manage everything about Microsoft safety settings. So if you actually have enabled the Microsoft safety settings, from here you can manage it, turn it off, change the settings and everything. And if you have enabled it from here, you will see a toggle from here to turn the settings off. Now after you try to turn it off, it will verify that you are the parent or the one that have set up these settings. After it successfully verifies that it's you, it will turn off all these settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.